Today, we're replacing the toilet and the wax ring for the toilet with a wax-free toilet seal. First, turn off the toilet water supply line and flush. Then remove the toilet tank. Don't remove tank if you're only replacing the wax toilet seal. Next, remove the toilet bolt caps for the bottom of the toilet and loosen the toilet bolts. Next, use a small paper cup and old rag to remove the water from the toilet bowl. Then use a putty knife to remove the old toilet wax ring from the toilet flange. I recommend using a lot of paper towels to clean up any toilet wax seal residue on the flange to make sure it's nice and clean. Now let's go ahead and remove the toilet flange bolts. Once these are out, we're ready for the fun part. Here's the game changer, the one-and-done toilet repair kit. This kit includes everything you need for a quick, easy installation. We'll start by placing the toilet ring seal, which is designed to center the toilet bolts for a perfect seal. You'll notice it makes lining everything up super easy. One of the best features of this toilet kit is the self-adjusting toilet gasket. It ensures a perfect fit every time and prevents over-tightening, which could damage your toilet or flange. The waxless toilet ring kit even trims the bolts in just a few seconds, saving you time and effort. And don't forget, the kit includes locking toilet caps to secure everything in place. Now it's time to reassemble the toilet. First, line up the toilet tank parts with the tank-to-bowl gasket and tighten the toilet tank bolts. Be sure everything is aligned properly before moving on. Next, we'll connect the toilet supply line to the toilet fill valve. After that, open the toilet water valve to start filling the tank. Before finishing up, don't forget to tighten the toilet screws on the toilet seat. This ensures everything stays securely in place. Finally, give everything a quick wipe, especially the toilet bowl parts and toilet tank connections. We want everything to look as good as it works. And there you have it, your new toilet and toilet gasket in just 45 minutes. No mess, no hassle, and it's all set to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more DIY tips. See you next time.